Hi there, I'm Sanoj from Sanya Photography. Today I'm going to show you my Nikon D500 camera settings for bird in flight photography. First, I will show you how I set up my focus system for bird in flight. To change your focus mode, you have to press and hold AF button which located side of your camera, and by turning a back dial, set it to autofocus continuous mode. Then we will discuss about autofocus area modes. So most of the times I use group area focus points. The press and hold your AF button which located side of your camera, and then turn front dial to get group area focus points. This is how you can see your group area focus point through camera viewfinder. You can change focus point by moving joystick button which located below AF1 button. Then I will quickly show you how to set up back button focus for single AF point. Okay, then go to camera menu and go to custom setting menu, and then go to controls, then select custom control assignment, then go to AF1 button and press AF1, and then you will get AF area mode plus AF1, then select single point AF. Press and hold AF1 button, and now you can see single autofocus point through camera viewfinder. Press and hold AF mode button and press your camera info button to see your focus mode and AF area mode. Now we will see how to change a blocked shot AF response for bird in flight photography. Go to camera menu, select custom setting menu, select autofocus, select focus tracking with lock on, go to blocked shot AF response, set it to 2. Then I will show you how I set up my camera exposure. I used manual mode 90% of time, and some occasions I used shutter priority mode with ISO auto sensitivity on. In a minute we will discuss about ISO auto sensitivity setup. My aperture f5.6 to f8, and I use shutter speed 800 of a second to 3200 of a second. Now I will show how to set up ISO auto sensitivity on in your Nikon D500 camera. Go to menu, select photo shoot menu, then go to ISO auto sensitivity settings, turn on ISO auto sensitivity control, go to ISO sensitivity and select 100, go to maximum sensitivity and select 2500. Okay, then we will discuss about other camera settings. Shutter release mode, select continuous high speed mode. White balance, if you have direct sun, select auto mode, and if you have cloudy or shady environment, select cloudy. Metering mode, select matrix. Brighten your image, increase your exposure compensation to plus 0.3, plus 0.7, etc. Darken your image, decrease your exposure compensation to minus 0.3, 0.7, etc. I'll give you some bonus tips as well. Enhance picture quality. Preferably keep sun behind you and bird will be well lit. Still have backlight shots. Shoot bird straight to the sunset or the sunrise. Take a perfect shot. Aim selected AF point to bird, half press and hold the shutter button to continuously focus. Then press and hold shutter all the way down to take a quick burst of images. And take your photos in golden hour of the day. That's my birds in flight camera settings. I'll show you some of my shots taken in 2020.